So I've got a Nova, and the goal for the Nova is to be able to run in sick week. If I can run in sick week by 20 days, because today is, well, the 3rd of January. Uh, uh, Trying to hit this kind of like, I wouldn't say more roadkill style, because that's pretty much what it's going to be. The goal for the car would be to just make the trip happen. If I can make the trip happen, that would be fantastic. Here's the car. I bought a 72 Nova. It's got no front end. Which is, great. It's not bad, it's not great. It's got rust, more rust. It came with a hood. The hood is shot. See? No good hood. Underneath that hood, though, is some more greatness. I don't know if it can be seen, but yeah, it's more rust. More rust. Well, that can't be right. There's no... 4 tires are not touching in the car. All right. Okay. Well, not really quite sure what that's all about, but, well, whatever. Safety. What is that? Anyhow, it's got some dents, some more rust, It came with this fuel cell, which is great and all, and I started to, sandblast it, because why not? And then I realized that it's got these little tiny pinholes in there, and, well, those suck, so I'm just not going to deal with it, and I'm going to have to just order a fuel tank for it, and that's going to call it what it is. Now, I was going to lift this car up higher, but now I don't know what's going on, so I'm not going to lift it up higher, because that sounds sketchy. Yeah, so let's look at the inside. Not wretched. Smells wretched. Not wretched. Not great. Not bad, though. Yeah. I think I'm just going to paint this stuff to be black, because it's easier than other things. It's got a sweet butterfly sticker. I don't know if that's a special edition thing or not. Child edition, little girl edition, whatever. I can see the floor through the floorboard, which I know is a premium option for the upgraded ACs. And I get to figure out what the hell's going on with that. That's gonna be great. I don't imagine it'll be too hard, but it's an old Chevy, but still, that's a lot of... That's worse than most fishing lines that a 3-year-old had. It's got this sweet radio, though. Yeah, I think that played, I think that's where you put your iPod or something. Yeah. Electronic tuning. I doubt this is what you can tune your car with, though, because it doesn't look like a tuner. But, yeah. Seats are... Well, they're seats. And then there's seats. And there's absolutely 0% of any type of headliner in there. So that's cool. Dash pad's bad. Column shifter, that's gonna go because that's stupid and boring and ugly. Put it on the floor where it should be. Probably gonna try and figure out a way to clean this up as best as possible so I have somewhere to sleep at night during the trip, because, well, I'm gonna be putting this car together really rapidly just to be able to make this trip happen, and I don't want to have to pay for hotel rooms just in case anything goes wrong. I have money for towing and stuff, because towing could be important. I don't know yet, maybe. But the door shuts quite nicely, you know. That's not bad, right? Not bad. Anyways, got this subframe on Marketplace. Hit it with some POR 15. Yeah, some POR. But it's got the SSBC brake system on it, which is cool, and some Ride Tech adjustables, you know, where you can clickers, uppers, downers, and whatnot. This is for the engine bay. Whatever, and I found some old crusty 350 headers, small block Chevy headers, whatever you want to call it, same dang thing. Oh yeah. They aren't great, but they're not bad either, you know what I mean? So I think what I'm gonna do is just blast them, this hand blaster, and see if I can get them to clean up. So it doesn't look absolutely wretched, but maybe it'll function the way that I need it to function. So, yeah. I know it's loud because I got the air compressor on, because I'm gonna try and do the spray. So it does work. Makes a lot of dust, and that's like Florida snow. But they look better, kinda. I will continue to work these, and then I'm gonna paint them black because that's what I found to be the cheapest stuff that I could find at O'Reilly's. Manifolds, long tubes, headers, hookers, with some primer on them. Once the primer is finished, then I'll put another couple coats on just to make sure that it's got everything I want it to have, which is a couple of coats. And then once that's done, then I'll go ahead and paint them black. That's my floor. It's pretty solid, right? Oh man. Anyways, yeah, same thing here. Pretty sure I could just, yeah. Awesome. Yep. Really don't know what I'm gonna do with that backseat thing yet. I mean, the backseat's not wretched, but it smells bad, like really, really bad. So I don't really know what I want to do with it. It's like, do I have a backseat? Do I not have a backseat? Backseats are where mistakes are made? I don't know yet.